Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. Excuse my voice, I just woke up and trying to get this video done real quick because it's already been since last week that I did this haul for a couple people and I hadn't had a chance to get this video. So it's a mixture from, I'm not even going to point out who belongs to what, it's too much. But anyway, mainly Maggie Holmes. And I just jump right in to show you what I got. And I know there's another bag somewhere, but I guess I have to do that. I'm thinking it's another bag for some reason. But in this haul, there are items for a couple people. So this is the Love Notes dies, and it's 2081936. Some more of the red line tape, 2042157 for $1.99. This Spellbinders die for $3.49. It is 2081930, and that's medallion 8. And this Spellbinders Crafty Flower number 2, 2081945. So just pause the video. This is a lot, and I don't want you to be here all day. This Bow Bunny 12-pack 12 protectors, if you need to see the SKU. Or hear me say it again, 2093105. So 12 by 12 page protectors for $4.99, and it's a 20-pack. These Bow Bunny stamps. There were some other ones, but I had most of those. This is circular stamp 2097110. So just a whole bunch of different whimsical circles, which make great backgrounds. This is Rough It Up, and again, nice backgrounds. 2065295. And it's Everyday Icons. Thought were really cute because there's things like Let Us Know, Oh So Crafty, Let's Eat, Create. And they got weather related stuff and food related. And I thought I had this one. I know I have the other one, but I didn't see it. So 2097092. So now I got that one. So I do the non stuff over here. So this is the Whimsical collection. $2.19 for these enamel dots. 2097800. So you can see the different colors. And this is a Maggie Holmes Puffy Heart. 2097165 for $1.49. So this is Jane Hatfield. These are her tags. It's 36 piece. 2097827. Cute little tags. And this goes with Along the Way paper. This, let me do this because this goes with that collection. No, this is Wonderful, I'm sorry. The Wonderful Thickers, and it is 2075375 for $2.19. Cute little images. Project Life 12-pack of die cut frames. Kind of like travel adventure things. Up here to the chipboard, $1.99, 2072196. It's called Explorer. This is a cute set too. This is the Whimsical thicker set, 2097797. Very cute set. Look at those scissors. And Create. Got your art palette right there. Be a tape runner. Dream. I just thought some very cute images, even though I didn't pick up the paper. They had the paper. Alright, this sticker set, Story, and it is 2068457 by Maggie Holmes. Sorry about that glare. It is in the package. Alright, and this one is Dreams, 2068413. And this one is Icons, Maggie Holmes again, 2068402, and all of these, of course, by Crate Paper. And the chipboards, I already showed you those last week. Alright, so this is another Along the Way by Jane Hatfield. These are the little frames for $1.99, 2097821. These are dimensional stickers. Very cute. Along the Way again, Jane Hatfield, 40-piece ephemera piece, 2097826. And there's also gold foiling on some of those as well, in the little lady as well. It's another one from that collection, 40-piece. Yes, and it's different. And it is 2097824. Here's the wood pieces, the wood veneers, 2097825, which are just adorable for $1.99. That's what they look like. Nice texture. And this pink paisley, these are just the Whimsical, the pattern swatches, I'm gonna say snatches, excuse me, and the phrases for $2.49. This actually was out before, and they brought it back because I remember seeing it, and I didn't get it a couple of months ago. I think around November they had these out. 2097795. So, you know, if something's been out before, check your clearance. It usually takes almost a year for it to go to clearance, but sometimes, depending on the store, it may go there sooner. Alright, so 2 paper pads. The carousel, 12 by 12. The quickest flip, because I know you guys have all seen this. $6.99, 2068382. And it's also in the 6x6 pad. I mean 6x8. And the 6x6. No, it's just a 6x8 in the 12 by 12. And then the Along the Way, and that is 2097814. And I know I did flips on my Instagram. I did a DaretoBeCreative 1. Follow me up there for pictures a lot of times because I travel a lot. They're up there quicker. So these are pretty much all the accessories with carousel. I am missing another bag because I'm missing my Puffy stickers for Chasing Dreams. So this one is 2068428 for $2.49. These are sticky notepads. Okay, notepads. That's what, I didn't realize what that was. These are 6 cards, and it's $2.49, 2068431. And that's what they look like. This is the 50-piece ephemera pack. Some is glittered, edged as well. The number for that is 2068429. These are the enamel stickers, 2068410 for $2.99. And the sticker set is gold foil as well, 2068408. This word sentiment, 206 stickers, 3 sheets, 2068409. Pink and blue, and that's the other sheets as well. And these 2 words right here, dream and love you, 249, 2068427, and that's the script. So this is Chasing Dreams, ephemera, 37 pieces, 2068433, and that's what that looks like. Here's open books and tags, 2068460, pieces of layered tags. These are the Polaroid frames from Open Book, 2068459 for $1.99. So you got some different shapes there as well. Here's confetti. Puffy stickers, 206-8441 for $1.49. Gold and white. Alright, so this is confetti, and these are the 6 embellished pockets for $1.99, 206-8452. Another confetti, these are the sequins for $1.49, 206-8449. And this confetti, 50 pieces, and you got glitter pieces as well for $2.49, 206-8442. Okay, hold on one second, I'm gonna get some of the stuff out of the way. Okay, back. So it is another bag. I know it wasn't crazy, but let me show you this right quick. These are not new, but I already had somebody ask me could I show the numbers again for these. So again, I will show them, but these are not necessarily new. So this is for the confetti line, and this is, it was 1976762. Don't know if they changed the SKU on this, because this was June last year. But that's what it looks like. Somebody wanted to see that. And then this one was open book 1976764. Usually they change them by the year when it's re-released. There usually is a different number, but I'm just going to show them. And then this is Flourish, 2045058. This one is Carousel 2026709. And again, like I said, the SKUs may have changed. You can check now. This one is this year, and that is 2068416, and that is the bloom. All right, so this one just picked the bloom up. The other ones are older. Now this is also new, 2068432 for Dreams. So I just picked it up with this haul. This Gather, 2068423, and that's what that one looks like. Again, that's new. And this one is, oh yeah, we had 2 Dreams, right? The same one? Yeah, I already did that one. And then this Gather one is 2068423. So the prices were $1.99. They're $2.99 now. All right, so those are the new ones. All right, this is the rest of the haul. So this, I just showed you that. That was another one of those same ones again. That's another duplicate. 2 of these. This is the 22-piece confetti ephemera, 2068445, and these are more like hardware pieces, resin. And all right, one other line. This is for me, a Bow Bunny die, 2093056. That Polaroid bunny, Bow Bunny die. And then we have another Whimsical, the ephemera piece, 40 piece, 2097802. This is Maggie Holmes open book, and it is 2068456 for $249, and that's what that looks like. This one is Accents, 2068399. Of course, this has been out before, and it's her phrases, 2068404 for $1.35. Gold metallic, so it's shimmery. Sorry about that. This is another Jane Hatfield, and it's 120 phrase sticker set, 3 sheets for $1.99, 2097822. That's what they look like. Another Jane Hatfield, 3-dimensional stickers, 2097823. They're layered to go along with that same paper collection. Alright, so we've got the rhinestones, 2068434, $1.99. Another one, the sequins, which I already showed. I think this is the same one. It may be different. So 2068449, excuse me. And this is the confetti. I'm not sure if that's the same or different. The Whimsical collection again. I've gotten everything with the Whimsical but the paper. 2097805. I don't think I'm gonna get the paper though. I just wanted it. Two of the Chasing Dreams. 2068415 for two different people. Again, I got to sort all this stuff out. This is from Gather. 2068424. And I really can't add anybody else to my list to shop for. I know people inbox me, Instagram me, email me all the time. I really can't. I travel too much, and I can't ship as fast as I feel the need to do it. 2068421, because I'm not always home or around the PO to ship it out the next day, and I hate holding people's stuff. 2068446. And that stresses me out. So I can only do it with people that I know are patient or live locally, and they can get it when they get it. All right, this is Bloom as well, and this is this looks like it's coming over. 2068421. You know, that's the biggest thing. So it's not that I don't try, it's just that it's so hard. And this one is 2068403, and I think I already showed that one. That's a double duplicate. So that's why, and it is hard to keep up with people's stuff. Okay, so this is the Maggie Holmes. This one is the Hello. They're all $2.99. 2068472. This one is the Swan. 2068468. This is Magical. 2068471. This is Happiness. 2068485. If you notice, it's only the last two digits that changes. 2068473. And that one is Floral. And this one is Blessed. 2068490. And this one is Dear. 2068491. And there's no deer on it, so I'm assuming there's nothing. And then finally, towards the end, I think this is it. This is the washi for her paper butterfly, and this one is 2068494, $3.99. This one is Bows, 2068496, again $3.99. This one is Hearts, 2068478. And last but not least is Floral, 2068495. They were all $3.99. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Thank you for sitting through that long video. Appreciate it. God bless and have a wonderful day. Dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.